Hi, this is for class on Tuesday, April 14th. I'm really proud of a lot of you got caught up on your assignments last week, and now we're ready to move on to Unit 12. So turn in your book to page 102. On page 102, again, this is Unit 12, they're reviewing the 5 C positions. We have low C, bass C, middle C, treble C, and high C. So make sure you know where those are on the keyboard and what they look like on the staff. The bottom of page 102, you're playing 5 finger positions in each of those C hand positions. So the first one is in bass C, low C. And then your left hand moves up an octave to bass C. Then your right hand takes over at middle C, treble C, and finishes up at high C. Those are just the 5 finger positions in C. Again, just reviewing what those look like. Okay, so now let's look at page 103. We're talking again about triads. Remember, tri meaning 3, triads. So if you put your right hand thumb on middle C, playing with finger 1, 3, and 5, and then just move up the keyboard going higher. Until your thumb is on treble C. Then you're going to do the same thing with the left hand, starting with bass C position and just moving on up. Until you end up at middle C. Okay, bottom of page 103, playing major chords hand over hand. What this means is that every 2 measures you're switching hands. So measure 1 and 2 is left hand, starting on F. Then right hand, starting on bass C. Even though it's bass clef notes, it's being played with your right hand. Left hand goes over. And then the right hand, and make sure you get this F sharp in there. Left hand over, and you need to add the C sharp. Right hand over, get the G sharp in there. And then you end with your left hand way up here with B, D sharp, and F sharp. Okay, so practice that hand over hand. Remember, every 2 measures you're switching hands. Watch out for all the sharps in there. Okay, and that leads us into our song for today, which is called Parallel Moves. Let's look at the time signature is 4/4. There are some indications for pedals, so those of you that do have the sustaining pedal on your keyboard, go ahead and use it. If you don't worry about it. Notice the tied notes. For example, in measure 2, a beat 4 is tied over to the next measure for 4 more beats. And that happens frequently throughout the song, so watch out for that. Also notice the very last note in your left hand bass clef is low C. So that is one of the 5 C's you've learned on. So parallel, meaning that hands are moving together. So you're in C position for 4 counts, 2, 3, 4. Then it's moving parallel, up, 2, 3, 4. Parallel down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Tied, 2, 3, 4. Going up now, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm at measure 9 now. You go back to C position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Parallel, moving up. 2, 3, 4. Tied, 2, 3, 4. Tied, 2, 3, 4. 4. 2, 3, 4, tied, 2, 3, 4, off. So practice that. I think you'll enjoy that. And I'll be real curious if any of you think that reminds you of some song. Anyway, have a great day. Please email me with any of your questions and concerns. If you would like a private Zoom meeting with help on anything, I'd be glad to set that up with you too. So stay healthy and stay well and keep practicing that piano. Talk to you soon. Bye.